For this? Here's Grandma's house. We're going to Grandma's house. Ready to go see Grandma? Mark?
Gonna go knock on the door?
Mark, ready to go see Grandma?
Oh, yeah. Oh, who's got the camera?
You ready to go see Grandma?
Hi.
Shannon.
This is Grandma's house.
So Grandma's at work. I know Grandma.
Yeah, they have it all summer long. They have trouble with
Go in and say hi to Grandma.
their sprinkler system
Oh, really?
all summer long. And Larry's really always liked his job until, well, even now he still does, but he's so tired. But
Well,
now
I
he's,
thought he was retired, though, wasn't he? So,
huh?
wasn't Grandpa retired?
Get what?
Wasn't he retired?
Yeah, he's
Oh,
retired.
yeah, he's been retired a long time. This is his retirement job.
Oh, just kind of a... Yeah. What does
You're
he
on
do?
camera, Grandma.
Hmm?
Said you're on camera. This is Grandma's kitchen.
I've got to for glasses. I've got kind of a mixture of glasses anymore. I got to go downstairs and bring up some new ones.
Yes, she still has the old microwave.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see who all wants what. I have to go in here and get some.
What you doing, Becca?
Yeah, we just,
What you doing?
I was going potty.
You want to go down to the basement?
We're going to get some pop out of here. Do you like Pepsi? Or Coke?
okay, just whatever.
What?
Pepsi.
No. I think we got Pepsi.
Daddy. Oh.
Still got that old clock, too.
What try?
Oh yeah, I'm going to weed out.
Hello.
Did you get what you
Grandma, do you want to get in with
I'm just.
Oh, yeah. Well, can we...
I'll get the pictures from Mark.
Mark and Shannon?
Who is? Oh, how cute.
Let's do the video.
Mark makes people feel that way. Do you guys want a picture with them? A group picture?
My cousins are just
Come
like...
here, let's get one with Grandma Osmond. Come on.
Come on, go get one with Grandma husband.
You too, Matt.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I'm coming.
Yeah.
You want to film you guys?
Maybe you take one of with mine.
Your battery's about to die. Oh, it's already
Can you
recording.
turn that off, Mark?
the thing, otherwise
Yeah.
the battery will die faster.
Here.
Sure.
Ready? Look at children.
Well, I got
Ready?
Your,
four more
your
batteries.
lens looks dirty.
1, 2, 3.
That's alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Let me see this.
Hey.
Just open the front, Shannon. Yeah.
Well, I can...
And look through that and snap.
Ready?
Give her a
1,
smile.
2, 3. You want one with just you and the girls? Just you, Grandma, there's Grandma Osmond, and you girls.
Here we go.
I think this lens is dirty.
No,
Yeah.
it's two different lenses you're looking through.
Oh.
The lens that's closest to your eye is dirty. The front lens ain't that dirty.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Hold on. Stay there.
Hey, girlies.
Oh,
Becca,
sounds
pull your
like you
shirt
just took
down.
a picture already.
They smile.
Ready?
Say cheese.
1, 2, 3.
Here.